Hi, this is Darren. I'd like to give you a quick walkthrough of our Train the Trainer program for people interested in becoming better innovation and design thinking facilitators or trainers. So the program is a combination of online modules, online workshops, and some meetings with me. So this is going to be an individualized program where the goal here is to help you to do what you want to do in terms of innovation and design thinking. The people that do this program typically fit into a couple of different personas. The first is people who are a part of an organization and they have a new role as an innovation leader or innovation facilitator. Maybe they've done a little bit of this before, but they want to take it to the next level. Maybe they're trying to learn, hey, how do I design and facilitate our own innovation sessions? What could an innovation program be like in our company? So that's one persona. The second persona is consultants, people who have a consulting business and they want to offer innovation as a service, design thinking sessions, workshops, innovation training, things like that. And they would like to learn from our over 10-year experience with over 100 clients. What could you offer? How do you design your own workshops or programs? That kind of an approach. So those are the typical kinds of folks that might do this program. So when you access this program, you're going to have a number of different online workshops that you can do. So there's two different ways that you can do this. The first is to just go in a very structured, organized way. You see part of this program, you'll receive the Design Thinking Innovation Certification course. And what this is it's really sequenced out. A university can offer this as a 3-credit course, right? So it's modules. Each module may be designed to be done each week, maybe about an hour long for video activities, demonstrations, activities that you might do might take another hour. So this is a very deep approach if you want to go week by week and have a really structured approach to do that. So that's an option. But what most people do is they just pick and choose what would be the most valuable online workshops for them to do. And sometimes this comes with my help. So what I like to do is learn about the person who's going to be starting this program, what they would like to achieve. And then instead of just having them go step by step through all of these modules, I might recommend specific online workshops that they can get started with, right? So there's a number of different ones here, and depending on what the goals are for that person, I'll recommend what they might get started with. And then this will just be picking and choosing individual ones and getting started with doing them. Many of them are recordings of webinars I've done or online workshops or some special materials, like here's an innovation facilitator activity guide. This is a great tool to almost print these sheets out and organize them into a storyboard for the session you would like to facilitate. So that's one of the main outcomes of this program is we're going to help you design a session that you can facilitate around design thinking or innovation. So that's just a really basic overview of this Train the Trainer program. And the way this is different than the Design Thinking Innovation Certification course is it also includes modules on how to facilitate, right? Facilitation tools and techniques. While a program like this is more for somebody who just wants to use design thinking or innovation to create a new product, a new service, something like that. Well, this program is a little different because it includes this program plus extra around how do you facilitate, right? How do you teach or train or facilitate for innovation and design thinking? So that's how it's different. And the real value of this program, I think, is that it's customized to you. So that's why I encourage you to contact me first to let me know a little bit more about what you're working on. And we'll have 2 meetings are part of the program where I can give you my ideas, give you my insight, learn about what you're working on to make recommendations for where to focus. And ultimately, to earn the certification from this program, you need to spend at least 20 hours on it. And you need to create a project. And typically the projects that people do for this program are they design, develop, and facilitate their own innovation session, design thinking workshop, innovation training, maybe do a keynote speech on the topic, or start something up like that. And I provide some feedback and some insight on that. And that's how you earn the certification is by doing this for real. There's no test, no exam. Yeah, you earn the certification by spending time on the program and designing and developing something of value for you. So if this sounds interesting, send me an email and we can see if this is the right program for you.